Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you Epson thermal printer, how to install in PC or laptop. Model is TMT82. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. I am already download setup file. File is in RAR. Okay, you see APD459 T82.exe. Click on this. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, click on next, select I accept and then click next. Choice recommended and click next. Click on add. Select here printer, South Asia, my region is. Select here port, create a USB port. You want to default, select this, click on next. Click on next. Okay, click on next. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Please wait while printer drive is installing in PC. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Click on finish. Driver is installed complete. Click on finish.